understand the guys that hang these rubber testicles from their trailer hitches? I don't get it. I decided that when I get home, I'm going to hang a uterus off the back of the minivan. Yeah. Except with my luck, I'd probably get rear-ended by one of those guys. I'd have to leave a note on his windshield. You owe me child support. Oh, did you hear all the Starbucks closed down? That was so sad. Oh, it's sad. Because I really like coffee, but I don't like hot coffee. So what I always do is get half a cup, and then I fill it up the rest of the way with cold water. And yes, I do like my coffee like my men. Cold and weak. You thought I was going to say black, huh? I'm not that picky. I do worry about being like politically incorrect though, and saying the wrong thing. I worry about it so much I actually order my coffee African American. I do. Oh, have you heard? I tried this new diet. Have you heard about this diet? It was on Oprah, so it must be good. You eat all your meals bare naked in front of a full-length mirror. I know, ew. And the idea is that you'll just be so disgusted by the sight of yourself that you'll lose your appetite and you'll eat less. So I tried it, and I got kicked out of the Olive Garden. Hey, I thought we were family.